Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Journey to Health with Seals. Now today guys, we're going to use an amazing fruit to make a special oil packed with vitamins A and B's and C. Guys, if you're struggling with melasma, hyperpigmentation and dark spots, if you have deep wrinkles and fine lines, guys, this video is just for you. The enzymes, beta-carotene, vitamins and phytochemicals in papaya oil has an amazing healing and skin lightening abilities. Now guys, if you want amazingly glowing and beautiful soft skin, guys, this particular oil, papaya oil, is the right oil for you. In this video, I'm going to show you the proper way to make your papaya oil, not just for beautiful glowing hair, but also for beautiful glowing skin. Come on over guys, I'm going to show you how you can make this oil and how you can apply it to your skin to get that skin lightening and healing properties that are in this particular fruit. It's time to use your papaya to make this amazing oil. Now guys, I'm so excited to share this video with you. Papaya oil is one of my staples in my skincare routine. Guys, it just gives you flawless, glowing, beautiful skin, and which is one of the reasons why I'm excited to share this video with you. And guys, I hope you decide to make your own papaya oil, not just for your hair guys, but also for your skin. So come on over, let me show you how to make it and how you can apply it to your skin and your hair. Now guys, we're going to start out by using approximately 2 cups of papaya. And we're not only going to be using the fruit guys, we're also going to be using the seeds. Now guys, as you can see, here's my 2 cups of papaya. As you can see, 2 cups. And so guys, I've gone ahead and prepared my papaya. I've already cut it up. And also we have the seeds here. Now guys, we're using both the fruit and the seeds itself. They both contain amazing enzymes and benefits to our skin. These papaya seeds have great benefit. They are superior in terms of moisturization for our skin. As a matter of fact, they are so high in the concentration of oleic acid, which is an essential fatty acid for superior regeneration of our skin cells. And so we're using the papaya seed because of its amazing moisturizing benefits. Now guys, the papaya fruit itself is rich in antioxidants such as lycopene, tocopherols and carotenoids, all of which work together to fight the signs of aging. Now guys, all these antioxidants that I just mentioned, they all inhibit oxidation in our bodies. And guys, if you know what oxidative stress is in our skin, it really induces the formation of wrinkles and is known to be associated with many skin conditions. Now guys, there are many factors that cause us to develop oxidative stress. It caused from environmental exposures, external sources like x-rays, air pollution, cigarette smoking, pesticides, and also stress in general guys. And so we want to ensure that we minimize oxidative stress in our skin. The longer oxidative stress stays in your body guys, is the more it really speeds up with the aging of our skin. And so it will cause the loss of collagen and elastin fibers in your skin, and it will result in fine lines and wrinkles. The sagging and texture of your skin will also change. Oxidative stress in our skin can also result in injury to our epidermal and dermal layers of our skin, resulting in premature aging. And guys, all of these leads to wrinkles, age spots, and decreased skin tone. Now, if you're experiencing these challenges, there's hope for you. We're going to make our papaya oil to get rid of all those skin challenges, guys. The key to be able to clear up these skin challenges or skin problems that you're having right now is to consistently use your papaya oil. And so we're going to show you how to make it. Now, the first thing that we're going to do, guys, we're going to blend our papaya and papaya seed to a pulp. One of the reasons why I really love papaya oil so much guys, it really contains a lot of important chemical compounds. It includes caffeic acid, quercetin, papain, benzyl, and so many other chemical compounds guys. And you know, it has this amazing antioxidant called papain, which works to stabilize free radicals in our skin. Papain is also a natural exfoliator, and so because of that, it removes dead skins and it also unclogs our pores. If you want smooth, clear, flawless, beautiful, glowing skin guys, this particular oil that we're making today, papaya oil, should be a staple in your DIY. So here we go. So guys, the next thing that we're going to be doing today is to determine our carrier oil. Now, I've shown you how to choose your carrier oil based on your specific skin type. Today we're going to be looking at extra virgin olive oil. We also have sweet almond oil. We have grapeseed oil, guys, and we also have coconut oil. Now guys, we can also use other oils that are high in oleic acid, such as jojoba oil, soybean oil, or avocado oil. And so guys, when you use these particular oil, these oils tend to create an occlusive layer which traps moisture beneath it. And so when you use this particular oil, such as the sweet almond oil, what's going to happen, guys, if you're a person who experiences dry skin or mature skin, it's going to keep the moisture in your skin for longer and also prevent the loss of hydration to the environment. And so guys, it's important that you choose carrier oils that are in alignment with your skin. It's going to nurture your skin and also provide great nourishment for your skin. And so today we are going to be using sweet almond oil as our base carrier oil. So guys, it's time to prepare our papaya. We're going to be putting this on the stove top. So here we go, guys. We're going to be cooking this for approximately 15 to 20 minutes on low heat, guys, because the goal here is not to burn our oil. The goal here is to allow the papaya fruit and seed to penetrate or infuse into the oil. And so that's what we're going to be trying to do today, guys. And we're going to be using 1 cup of the sweet almond oil, which I think is the entire bottle of this oil. So here we go, guys. 1 cup of oil. Now guys, this oil is going to be a remarkable oil, and you know what I like about papaya oil is the fact that, you know, it not only lightens skin, but it also brightens skin. And you know guys, when I say it lightens your skin, it doesn't bleach your skin, it just gives you a beautiful glow. So this particular oil, when we're finished with it, it's going to be used for lightening and brightening your skin, even out your skin tone naturally. And guys, with the significant amount of vitamin C, you know, it's going to really clear out those imperfections in your skin, and it's going to get rid of that sun damage. It's also going to clean up those pores, get rid of those blemishes, guys. So I'm excited to share this particular oil with you, and I can't wait to show you what it looks like. Now guys, once the stove starts getting hot, as you can see, it's starting to bubble up a little bit. I'm going to turn the stove down to low heat, because the purpose of making our oil today is not to burn it. Guys, we want to just ensure that this amazing ingredient, this fruit and the seed, will infuse into our sweet almond oil today. And guys, it's going to be an amazing skin lightening and skin brightening treatment. So we have turned it down. Guys, what's going to happen is the papaya is going to change color as it begins to infuse into the oil, and you're going to see the difference when it's cooked, guys. We want to ensure that we give it sufficient time to take its time to infuse into the oil. And we're going to use this not only for our hair care, but also for our amazing skin care. Now guys, as you can see, our papaya oil is well on its way to cooking, guys. It's on low heat, as you can see here, and it's slowly taking its time to infuse into the oil. It's actually looking amazing. I'm really excited about this. Now guys, this oil has been cooking for approximately 10 minutes, and guys, can I tell you about the sweet aroma that is coming from this oil? It smells so good, guys. I just can't contain myself. It is just amazing aroma. And so this is exactly what it's going to do to our skin. It's going to give us all that nourishment to our skin. As you can see, the oil is gradually being infused, guys. You can see gradually that the papaya is changing color. And we're going to give this approximately another 15 minutes so that it can take its time to properly cook, guys. We want to make sure that the papaya and the seed are being properly infused into our almond seed oil. And so this is looking really great. I'm really pleased at the progress of this particular oil. As you can see, it's really taking its time. It's bubbling up a little bit, but it's beginning to be infused, guys. I'm excited to show you what it's going to look like at the end of it, and how you're going to be able to use this in so many different facial recipes, guys. With this homemade oil, you're going to get beautiful and amazing looking hair and also skin. You're going to be able to use this to moisturize your skin and also to lighten those dark spots, hyperpigmentation, and get rid of those deep wrinkles and fine lines. Hi guys, so our oil has been cooking for approximately 25 minutes. As you can see, the papaya has changed color a little bit, but we're going to give it some time to cool, and so afterwards we're going to strain it, and I'm going to show you what it looks like, and then we're going to talk about how you can start using it and applying it to your skin and your hair. Hi guys, so we have finished cooking our pot of papaya oil, and so I'm going to show you how we can strain it and how we're going to bottle it, and also how we're going to store it, guys. So come on over. Now guys, as you can see, the papaya and the seed have changed color. It's becoming a little darker from the cooking process, but it's looking so amazing, guys. You can see that, you know, the oil is richer. We're going to strain it now, and you're going to see the beautiful color, the rich, beautiful color of the oil itself. If you don't have a cheesecloth, you can go ahead and use your stocking. You can use a clean stocking and cut it off and use it to strain your oils, guys. Or you can go ahead and get a cheesecloth and use it as well. Okay, so we're going to pour our oil in, and we want to get all of it out. And now, guys, I encourage you to go ahead, watch the video, the next 2 videos that are coming up on how you can start using your papaya oil. And this is going to be rich, guys, in your DIYs for your face as well as in your hair care. And so I want to encourage you to go ahead and start using your papaya oil right away. Now, guys, I'm going to encourage you to watch the next video after this one so that you can see on how you can use the residue from making your papaya oil and make an important scrub, guys. This particular mixture that you're seeing here, you should not throw it away. You can actually use it in your mask going forward, and you can also use it in your scrub going forward. And all we basically do, guys, is to take it. Now, guys, look at the rich, beautiful color of this oil. You know, this is one of the reasons why I love my papaya oil. Look at it, guys. It is so rich. It is so beautiful. You can see that the papaya has been completely infused into the oil. It is such a beautiful color, guys. I just love the look of it. Now, guys, you can see the richness of this oil. Look at it. It is so beautiful, this beautiful orange color. And so, guys, using this oil, you're going to see amazing transformation of your skin and your hair. And so we're going to bottle it right now, guys. And as always, ensure that before you start bottling your oils that you label your bottles. You want to make sure that there are no confusion with your oils. And so here we go. Now, guys, I would encourage you to use up this oil at least within a month. Okay, if you want a longer shelf life, I would encourage you to add, you can add tea tree oil if you're going to be using it in your hair care. You can also store it in your refrigerator for a longer shelf life. Now, guys, take a look at this, how beautiful this is. Isn't it beautiful? Your very own papaya oil. Now, guys, using papaya oil in your hair care routine is going to really help to retain moisture in the hair. It's going to help to give you that shine and sparkle and silkiness to your skin, and it's also going to help you to mend split ends. Now, guys, I'm in love with this particular oil. The color is rich, is vibrant, is packed with vitamins A and B's and C, guys. Guys, this oil is one of my favorite, my staple in my hair care and my skincare routine. And guys, I want to encourage you to go ahead and give it a try, and also check out these other 2 videos that I prepared on how you can start using your papaya oil right away in your hair care and your skincare routine. So, guys, go ahead and give it a try, make your own oils. And guys, if you enjoyed watching this video, I encourage you to give it a like. Give it a like so that others will be inspired. They can know how to make their own papaya oils to lighten hyperpigmentation, get rid of deep wrinkles and fine lines, and also make their hair beautiful and silky, guys. Go ahead, give it a like. And if you enjoyed watching the video today, give it a thumbs up. And also, guys, if you have not yet joined this amazing YouTube family, I want to encourage you to go ahead and hit that subscribe button right now and become a part of our amazing YouTube family.